Welcome back, Studio Squad. This is my acrylic palette knife painting. All supplies are listed in the description of this video. Connect with me on my social media accounts. If you haven't subscribed yet, please make sure that you do. Just click the subscribe button and you'll be part of my Studio Squad too. Do you paint? If you do, what is your favorite medium? Please leave a comment. Watch my other palette knife painting video. Would you like to see me do more paintbrush paintings or palette knife paintings? Please let me know by leaving a comment in this video. I use this color combination often because I like the colors together, and it also gives my customers the opportunity to have more than one of my pieces of artwork that they can match in their home or office. I'm now splattering the color turquoise on it. I honestly don't have a favorite color, but I have been using turquoise in my artwork a lot and also as an accent color in my home. It's all done now. Thank you for watching. Please watch my next video.